122-150.
मैं तैयार हूं। मैं इस कौम का बेटा हूं। इस कौम का मुझ पे हक है। मैं तैयार हूं।
अपनी कुव्वत अपनी जान, जाग रहा है पाकिस्तान। ख़वातीनो हज़रात, इस पुरजोश धुन पर मार्च करते हुए परेड कुछ ही देर में आपके सामने से परेड ग्राउंड में दाखिल होगी।
As you hear a slogan raised by the cadets of PAF Academy Asghar Khan, these defenders of the motherland have sweat their blood out for the preparation of the parade we are going to witness today. The morale is unshakable.
वो सहर जिससे लरसता है शबिस्ताने वजूद। कदम उठाओ इस तरह ज़मीं का दिल दहल उठे। वो तारा हाय गर्म हो के रंगे चरख जल उठे। कहाँ की गोर क्या कफन, बढ़े चलो मुजाहिदीने सब शिकन, बढ़े चलो।
Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to witness the marching of the flag party, also known as the Alam Party. Ladies and gentlemen, today's parade is being commanded by Aviation Cadet Academy Under Officer Muhammad Haris Jahangiri. Formed up in front of you are the 4 squadrons of the Academy. Number 1 wing constitutes number 1 and number 2 squadrons, which is being led by Aviation Cadet Wing Under Officer Sufiyan Siddique. Aviation Cadet Squadron Under Officer Muhammad Faizan Altaf is commanding number 1 squadron, whereas number 2 squadron is under the command of Aviation Cadet Squadron Under Officer Ashfaq Khan. Number 2 wing comprises number 3 and number 4 squadrons. The command of number 2 wing is with Aviation Cadet Wing Under Officer Syed Parjad Faizi. Aviation Cadet Squadron Under Officer Ashfaq is commanding number 3 squadron, whereas number 4 squadron is under the command of Aviation Cadet Squadron Under Officer Anas Mustafa.
Ladies and gentlemen, the other party is being commanded by Aviation Cadet Umays Shabir, who is holding the national standard. Aviation Cadet Mansab Ali Wajid is carrying the PAF color, while Aviation Cadet Tabid Ali is bearing the Quaid banner.
Drop! Break! Blow it up! Duck!
Ladies and gentlemen, the national anthem of Islamic Republic of Pakistan.
तरक्की पे बढ़िए रात से चले चल नीचे फग ब्रेक जनरल स्लैब स्लैब फग नीचे फग
Award of Quaid banner to the champion squad.
शॉट Cadet दरबार चल
The Quaid banner carries historical significance. It was awarded to this academy on 30th April 1948.
रख
May I request the worthy chief guest to award Quaid banner to the champion squad.
Ladies and gentlemen, champion squadron for the next semester is number 1 squadron. Thank you, sir. अब तलावत कुरान पाक की सादत हासिल करने के लिए आएंगे लीडिंग एविएशन कैडेट मोहम्मद फरहान।
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وأعدوا لهم ما استطعتم من قوة ومن رباط الخيل ترهبون به عدو الله وعدوكم وآخرين من دونهم لا تعلمونهم الله يعلمهم وما تنفقوا من شيء في سبيل الله يوفى إليكم وأنتم لا تظلمون صدق الله العظيم. शुरू अल्लाह के नाम से जो बड़ा मेहरबान निहायत रहम वाला है। और जहां तक मुमकिन हो दुश्मन के मुकाबले में पले हुए घोड़ों और जंगी औजार के साथ तैयार रहो ताकि हैबत तारी हो अल्लाह के दुश्मनों और तुम्हारे दुश्मनों के दिलों में, और इसके अलावा उनके दिलों में जिन्हें तुम नहीं जानते मगर अल्लाह उन्हें खूब जानता है। और तुम जो कुछ भी अल्लाह की राह में खर्च करोगे तुम्हें उसका पूरा पूरा अजर दिया जाएगा और तुम्हारी हक तलफी हरगिज ना होगी। वमा अलैना इल्लल बलाग।
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Award of trophies and swords of honor. Chairman Joint Chiefs of Staff Committee Trophy for the best performance in general service training among graduating cadets goes to Aviation Cadet, Squadron Under Officer Ashfaq.
Chief of the Air Staff Trophy for overall best performance and 101st Air Defense Course is awarded to Aviation Cadet Sergeant Hanzallah Moin Khan.
Chief of the Air Staff Trophy for best performance in engineering discipline has been won by Aviation Cadet Sergeant Aqib.
Chief of the Air Staff Best Pilot Trophy for outstanding performance in flying training has been won by Aviation Cadet Sergeant Abdul Rehman.
Sword of Honor for overall best performance in College of Aeronautical Engineering is awarded to Aviation Cadet Wing Under Officer Sufiyan Sidique.
Sword of Honor for overall best performance in College of Flying Training goes to Aviation Cadet Squadron Under Officer Mustafa.
Ladies and gentlemen, now the oath will be administered to the graduating cadets.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. मैं सिर के दिल से अल्लाह ताला को हाजिर और नाज़िर जानकर हल्फ उठाता हूँ कि मैं खलूस नियत से पाकिस्तान का हामी और वफादार रहूंगा और इस्लामी जमहूरिया पाकिस्तान के आइन की हिमायत करूंगा जो अवाम की ख्वाहिशात का मजहर है सरगर्मियों में शरीक नहीं करूंगा और ये कि मैं पाक फिजाइया में रहकर पाकिस्तान की खिदमत ईमानदारी और वफादारी के साथ अंजाम दूंगा और ये कि मैं भर्री बहरी या फिजाई रास्ते से जहां भी जाने का हुक्म मिला जाऊंगा और ये कि मैं अपने मुतय्यन अफसरान के कानून के मुताबिक दिए गए तमाम अहकामात की तामील अपनी जान को दरपेश खतरात से बेनियाज होकर करूंगा अल्लाह मेरा हामी और नासिर हो आमीन
May I request the Honorable Chief Guest, Air Chief Marshal Zaheer Ahmed Babar Sidhu, Nishan-e-Imtiyaz Military, Chief of the Air Staff, Pakistan Air Force, to kindly address the parade.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Principal Staff Officers, Air Officers Commanding PAF Academy Asghar Khan, distinguished guests, graduating cadets, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am pleased to attend graduation parade of 145th GDP, 91st Engineering and 101 Air Defense courses. On this happy occasion, I congratulate the graduating cadets, distinction holders, winner of Sword of Honors, their parents and family members. Also, I offer special compliments to Royal Saudi Air Force cadets and their families on their graduation. Indeed, the presence of Saudi cadets at the Academy is a symbol of strong friendship and cooperation between our great nations and their armed forces. I also appreciate AOC, PAF Academy Asghar Khan and his team for ensuring timely graduation of the courses despite the challenges of COVID-19 pandemic. Dear graduating cadets, remember today is the beginning of your journey in PF as an officer. You have been trained well at this leading Air Force Academy, and I am sure you will overcome future challenges with full commitment and dedication. The paradigm shift in training through next generation training program must have enabled you to further your academic and professional pursuit more aggressively. Indeed, you carry the hopes of country and this nation on your young shoulders. Therefore, you must work hard to keep abreast of latest development in technology, modern concept, and current trends related to role of air power in modern warfare. You should also seek inspiration from the legacy of our forefathers who, despite tough challenges, kept Pakistan Air Force flag high. Ladies and gentlemen, we live in a challenging times in the wake of evolving global and regional environment. Be it known that Pakistan is a peace-loving nation and wishes to maintain friendly ties with all countries, especially our neighbors. However, our desire for peace must not be misunderstood as weakness. Let me make it clear that there can never be a peace without just settlement of Kashmir issue. We condemn the grave human rights violation in Occupied Jammu and Kashmir. I urge the international community to play their role in ending human rights violation and atrocities in Occupied Jammu and Kashmir. We also believe that the peace and stability in Afghanistan is imperative not only for the progress of Pakistan but for the entire region. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan's sacrifices and effort for peace in the region speak for themselves. While we would not like to indulge in an arms race, the armed forces of Pakistan continue to enhance their capability to deter any aggression. Ladies and gentlemen, technology is fast transforming the battlefield of tomorrow. As an Air Force, our prime focus remains on modernization as we absorb and operationalize new technologies while enhancing our human resource development parameters. While being fully aware of non-contact warfare paradigm, Pakistan Air Force tried to maintain this punch through smart detection program of cutting-edge niche technologies, collaboration with friendly countries, and indigenization programs. PAF continues to harness new technologies like stand-off weapons, precision munition, electronic warfare, unmanned aerial system, artificial intelligence, and other latest developments. Alhamdulillah, we have made good progress in enhancing our capability in space and cyber domains, in line with the decades of modern non-contact warfare parameters. Ladies and gentlemen, air power is greatly affected by technology, and absorption of technology comes with training. We have retained focus on absorption of these technologies through focused training and human resource development parameters. In this regard, Next Generation Training Program and strategic restructuring of training institutions and academies have been launched very aggressively. In line with the wide vision of self-reliance, we have embarked on aerospace industry and indigenization program in the early 70s with Pakistan Aeronautical Complex as its first manifestation. To cater for any challenge, we continue to harness our aerospace industry for achieving vital self-reliance through indigenization programs. In the wake of PAF requirements for the defense of our motherland, in the fast evolving global scenario, Pakistan aerospace industry has been revitalized in line with the triple helix model. Major strides have been made in enhancing aerospace industry, academia, and government linkages through myriad research and development programs, maintaining close control through out-of-box strategies. Ladies and gentlemen, PAF has a legacy to fight outnumber. In order to address contemporary and future challenges, PAF has undertaken strategic restructuring of its operational, training, engineering, administrative, and research and development setup. As we pursue modernization through smart induction and indigenization, our focus remains on aggressive training programs. Ladies and gentlemen, we are on the path to be next generation Air Force, inshallah. I am proud that the armed forces of Pakistan are professionally competent, well-trained to cope with all internal and external challenges. Our brave air warriors have always displayed great courage during testing time and upheld Quaid visions of Pakistan Air Force being second to none. Pakistan Air Force puts a high premium on quality training. We are equipped and trained in line with the decades of modern warfare, ready to face any challenge. I assure you that PAF is very well poised to preserve our freedom at all costs. I am confident that Pakistan Air Force will scale new heights of glory in times ahead. In the end, I once again congratulate the graduating cadets. I wish you Godspeed in your future endeavors. I'm also grateful to the distinguished guests for their presence on the occasion. May Allah Almighty grant us strength and vision to discharge our responsibility in line with the finest tradition of service. Ameen. Pakistan Air Force, Zindabad, Pakistan, Paindabad.
Flag! Bardo! Chale! Jump! drop of the whole back. ले जाओ. Break! Break! Break!
Ladies and gentlemen, you will now witness continuity drill by Hamza flight. This flight is named after Hazrat Amir Hamza radiallahu ta'ala anhu, one of the companions and beloved uncle of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It is a unique way of cadets to pay homage to one of the great commanders of the Islamic history. It is noteworthy to mention that Hamza flight also includes Royal Saudi Air Force cadets, gentlemen cadets, naval cadets and lady cadets in its ranks.
खवातीनो हज़रात, हमजा फ्लाइट के इस मुजाहरे के दौरान खाली कारतूस फायर किए जाएंगे। आपसे इल्तमास है इन आवाज़ों से हरगिज़ परेशान ना हो।
To commemorate the supreme sacrifices made by Shuhada of Pakistan Air Force, Hamza flight will now carry out a synchronized movement.
Ladies and gentlemen, now shift your gaze towards the right side of the venue. Cheerful 9, Squadron Aqib will be coming in for aileron roll, followed by narrator. And number 5, Squadron Abdul Rehman, formatting on the left wing. Number 3, Squadron Saddam Bajwa. And number 6, Squadron Nawaz Kakar, while formatting in the slot position. Number 4, Squadron Junaid. Following this, number 7 will swing spokes and reverse its direction towards the day. Gain speeds in excess of 800 kilometers per hour and perform a 6G pull-out from the dive.